What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 9x6 Flips. Today I am at Goodwill. It's been a few days. Actually, it's been a while since I've been to Goodwill. Haven't really gone out because of the weather. Boring. There still was rain out here today. Let's go see what we can find. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. I go to the pawn shops, flea markets, thrift stores, garage sales, pretty much anywhere I can go to buy merchandise to flip and add to my collection. That kind of content interests you, hit that subscribe button. Those of you that are subscribed, thank you so much. Thinking of doing a giveaway pretty soon, so stay tuned. Today's colors, let's look for those. Really full of furniture today. Lots and lots of furniture. All the way along here across the side of the wall. Let's get over to the back and then we'll swing over to electronics. More furniture back here in the very back. Alright, let's keep on going. Let's head over to the electronics. Alright, here we are. Media section. I'm gonna go through this and see if we find anything. I already see a few games right up there. Alright guys, I found some stuff. Got Monster High, Cameo, Planet 51, Happy Feet 2, Thrillville, and this brand new sealed educational DVD sells for about 20 bucks. Let's keep looking. Alright guys, here's my next stop, Cash America. I'll just record a little bit when I enter the door so you guys can see the games real quick. And then I'll stop recording so I can look around. Here we are. Look. Get the games real quick. Let's see if there's anything for me. Alright, so I'm just leaving First Cash Pawn. Picked up all these. This is a factory sealed Lord of the Rings. Got the Battlefield 4. That one's not Rayman, it's SimCity and Just Dance. Those were all $1 a piece. And the Star Wars Family Guy Blu-ray set was $2. Awesome deals here at First Cash. Located here in Brownsville, right across the street from the Sunrise Mall. Alright, here's my next stop. Nostalgia. Never been here before. Let's go see what kind of games and stuff they've got in there. I'm not gonna record, guys, because I don't feel right that it should be recorded, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. And guys, I was in there for a while. Never once was I asked if I needed help. One guy was just sitting on the couch watching TV. So I don't think I'll be coming back to this place again. Alright, here's my next stop. First Cash Pawn. I found some stuff here before. Let's see if I can find anything there. Anything here today. The games are usually in the back, like towards the right end of the store. So I'll record up to there and then show you a glimpse, and then I'll stop recording. Here's just a section of the entrance. Hello. And then there's the games are over there. Oh, they got 2 arcades. Here's some of the games. Let's go see. Alright guys, so just left the First Cash. I got Pokemon Ultra Moon. It wasn't that great of a deal, but this Robin figure was worth the pickup. Selling for about 45. I paid 30 for it. And the Pokemon, I'm just gonna have it for the show that's coming up next month. Let's roll. Alright, here's my next stop. Dragon Bros. Had a hard time finding it. But let's go see what this is about. Alright, just leaving the place. Dragon Bros. They have some cool stuff, guys. Check it out. Action figures, Transformers, which is my main thing that I like to collect. Didn't have much video games, but he says he's gonna work on it, so we'll see. Alright guys, let's head on to the next one. Or you know what? I think that's it for me for today. Let me go ahead and show you guys what we do as I'm entering here in my car. Alright, let's see. Okie dokie, we got this Lord of the Rings for 10 bucks. That was $1. This was $1. Like I said, this one is not Rayman, it's SimCity, but it was $1. We got Just Dance 2015 for $1. And this Star Wars Family Guy. Excuse me. At the other pawn shop, I got this Pokemon and this Robin figure. 30 and 25 a piece. The figure was 30 bucks. And then we got these at the Goodwill. All right, let's get these out of the bag here. Come on. They don't want to come out. I'll just grab them. Oh, they have tape. Sorry guys, they have tape. We got Happy Feet 2. It was 3 bucks. Thrillville was 3 bucks. Planet 51 was 3 bucks. Cameo was 3 bucks. And then we got this Monster High for 3 bucks. And this one was 2 bucks. This is the one that sells for about 25 bucks. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you on the next one.